Hello everyone! My summer vacation has started and we're gonna go on vacation for a few days.
But who will water our plants in the meantime, sister?
Let's make a drip irrigation system which will water our plants automatically while we're away.
Yay!
Drip irrigation is a type of micro-irrigation system that has the potential to save water and nutrients by allowing water to drip slowly to the roots of the plants. However, here I am using drip irrigation since it is easiest and the most cost-effective way to water plants autonomously. Drip irrigation systems distributes water through a network of valves, pipes and connectors. To make this drip irrigation system, I am using long pieces of thin pipes which are available at most hardware stores. I am also using some joints and valves which can easily be found at any aquarium shop. I am using these materials as I already had them from my working heart experiment. But there are many drip irrigation kits available too. Let me show you a small prototype. We attach pipes from plant to plant and then attach valves to it near every place I want to water. We have to attach the end of the pipe to a tap and adjust the valves so that only one drop comes out every few seconds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share, comment and consider subscribing for more such informational videos.